In today's video, I'm going to teach you unsubscribing from services with Lycamobile is simple. If you want to stop your plan from renewing automatically, the quickest way is right from your Lycamobile phone. Start by dialing *190#. That short code opens the auto-renewal menu. Follow the on-screen prompts, and when you're asked to confirm, press 1 to cancel auto-renewal. You should see a confirmation message on your screen, and you'll usually receive a text as well. Keep your phone signal active while you do this so the request goes through smoothly. Prefer to do it online or in the app. Log into your My Lycamobile account. Once you're in, head to either Manage Payment or View Details for your active plan. Look for the Auto Renewal option and switch it off. Make sure you save or confirm your changes before exiting. Many users overlook that final confirm button, so double check you see a success message or get a confirmation text. Whether you use the app or the website, the result is the same. Your plan won't renew next time. A quick but important note about timing: turning off auto-renewal does not cancel your current plan immediately. You'll keep your allowances and benefits until the end of the current validity period. After that, the plan simply expires and no new charge is taken. This is helpful if you've already paid for the month and want to make the most of it while ensuring you're not billed again. If you also want to stop promotional messages from Lycamobile, send a text with the word STOP to 96168 from your Lycamobile number. This opts you out of marketing texts. It won't affect important service notifications, but it will reduce those promotional updates you may not want. Here are a few quick tips to wrap up. If you don't get a confirmation after dialing the code or using the app, wait a moment and try again, or refresh the app and check your plan's status. Ensure your account login details are correct before making changes online. And after you disable auto-renewal, consider setting a reminder for the plan's end date so you can decide whether to switch plans, top up, or leave it as is without any surprises. That's it. Dial the code and confirm or manage it in My Lycamobile, and text STOP to 96168 if you want to cut down on promos. With those steps, you're in full control of your renewals and messages.